So far in this unit, you have been using spreadsheets to help you make financial decisions. Data is not always collected or stored in a way that makes it easy to interpret. Spreadsheets are helpful for collecting, organizing, sorting, and storing data so that you can work with it and interpret it more easily. In this activity, you will develop a budget or a plan for spending and saving income. Using banking data, you will use a spreadsheet to categorize it. Then you will analyze your budget to identify areas where you could potentially save money. In this activity, you will copy and paste data from a fictitious checking account. You'll use formulas to calculate total income and expenditures. Then you'll categorize the expenses to get an idea of what kinds of purchases were made. Finally, you'll use the sum-if formula to calculate how much money was spent in each category. Calculating the total income and expenses gives you a bottom line of your spending, but totaling categorized expenses gives you an even more complete picture of how you spent your money. You will create this spreadsheet using a simulated bank account statement, but you can reuse it to keep track of your own spending every month. To get started, go to sheets.google.com/create or click the Google Sheets icon and select Blank Spreadsheet. Name your sheet Checking Account. Then move on to the next video to copy and paste spending data. Now it's your turn. Go to sheets.google.com/create to open a blank spreadsheet. Name the spreadsheet Checking Account. Then move on to the next video.